Welcome, engineers! Today we're exploring the Shear Modulus Interactive Calculator, a tool that solves critical material deformation problems in mechanical design and structural analysis. The calculator determines relationships between shear stress, shear strain, and material properties when forces act parallel to surfaces, causing angular deformation. Let's examine the inputs. First, you'll select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate shear modulus G, calculate shear strain gamma, calculate shear stress tau, calculate G from elastic modulus E, calculate elastic modulus E from G, and calculate shear angle theta. For this demonstration, we'll select Calculate Shear Modulus G. Below that, you'll see 5 input fields. Shear stress tau accepts values in MPa or psi. Shear strain gamma is dimensionless. Shear modulus G also uses MPa or PSI. Elastic modulus E takes MPa or PSI values. Finally, Poisson's ratio nu requires a dimensionless value between 0 and 0.5. Let's work through a steel component example. I'll enter 150 for shear stress tau in MPa. For shear strain gamma, I'll input 0.002, representing a typical elastic deformation. Since we're calculating G, I'll leave shear modulus blank. Click Calculate. The primary result shows our shear modulus G equals 75,000 megapascal, which matches typical steel properties. The secondary value might display related parameters like equivalent shear angle. These outputs directly inform your material selection and failure analysis. The calculated modulus tells you the material's resistance to shape change under shear loading. Critical insight: always verify your strain values are within the elastic range to ensure linear behavior assumptions remain valid. Find the link in the description below.